Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Everybody knows in performance cars and racing that power to weight ratio is everything. And if you're modding your car, how much do those parts weigh? Don't know. Well, today I'm going to weigh all the PRL parts that I've gotten in to do my performance upgrades, and we'll see. Got the PRL front pipe right there. PRL looks pretty good. Packaged pretty good. Came with the bolts, even though I ordered the titanium set from Two Step Performance. Got the PRL black intercooler. I already took it out for the weighing. Looks pretty good. Got the titanium inlet. All the parts right there. Packaged pretty well. Looks good. And of course the rear motor mount right there. Came with stuff. The keychain came with rear motor mount. Both the inlet and the front pipe came with lanyards. The intercooler came with a license plate, and the inlet, they all came with stickers. The inlet came with this. Definitely packaged with care by Cody. I'm assuming that's because this piece, the inlet came with a lot of the silicone couplers and the different parts, and they just need to make sure everything was in there. But I give it to PRL. I ordered all the parts at the exact same time, and PRL's made it in, and I'm still waiting on the, like I said, the two-step performance downpipe, as well as the HPS charge pipes. All right, so the base body weight without me holding it, excuse me, look out. Base body weight without me holding anything, 162.6. Hello. All my parts are being guarded. All right, so I'm about to weigh the inlet pieces, and just by feeling it, the rings themselves feel like they weigh just as much, if not more, than the titanium inlet. And the silicone feels like it weighs more too. All right, so I weighed the box without the parts, and it didn't actually even register anything with my weight. It stayed the same. So the box of PRL parts that are just the intake is 168. And the PRL mount, 166.2. And let's downpipe.
Get out the way. Get out.
All right, downpipe weighs 169.8. Here is the PRL intercooler, made in the USA, patent pending. It's got the stub out mounts on both sides. Only real difference I can tell is it looks like the inlet is closer down this way. This one has a stub in right there, and so does this side. So there is a difference. I have to figure out which way it goes. And the PRL is on this side, left side. So I might have this upside down.
I know, right?
Okay, so holding the PRL intercooler, $184.6.